This area, this is what we're talking about right here. Your neck hurts, your shoulders hurt. You need a good way to stretch and move those areas so that you can be pain-free. This, we're gonna lay out in a yoga mat and do what we call the lazy cobra. So this starts out on your stomach. You're gonna come up onto your elbows, ideally elbows a little bit further back from your shoulders. You're gonna bring your sternum forward, lower your head down so we have a nice relaxed position in your upper back and neck. And then you want to allow your trunk to soften between your shoulder blades. Move the shoulder blades up and down. Turn side to side. You can do alternating your shoulders back and forth, forward and back. But the idea is that you're going to relieve some of the tension that you're feeling in your neck and shoulders and feel a lot better. All right, so the next thing we're going to show here is details on the lazy cobra. So we already introed this before, give you a good stretch for your upper back and neck and shoulders. So we're going to talk a little bit more about the setup. So first thing is we want to come up onto our elbows and your back should be relaxed. I'm not holding myself up. I'm allowing my sternum to sort of sag down and forward. I like to move my elbows back a little bit, but play with the angle and see what works for you. I feel like when I'm in this position, I'm able to traction my spine forward and get more of an upward stretch here. Watch out for hot spots in your low back. If it feels like your low back is feeling not good with this, relax out of some of that height. So if you're going up here, hot feelings in your low back are not good, so come back down here. Then the real magic in this position is to allow your head to drop all the way down. What this does is create an even stretch through your whole neck, upper back, and sets us up for being able to move your shoulders separately from the rest of your back, which is why most people have problems with their neck and shoulders in the first place, is their shoulder blade muscles get stuck to all the muscles in their neck and creates a kink. So as I'm settling down into this here, you can see that my shoulders are trying to relax. When I go up towards my ears, it feels easy. As I go down towards my back pockets, it feels like that's where I get my best stretch. But for you, you might find that going towards your ears, or you might find that one up, one down, or some other combination. The key with all mobility things is to experiment and see what works. This is always just a jumping off point for you so that you can figure out what hits your tight corners and gives you the relief that you're looking for. So that is the lazy cobra.